Hi, it's Rhonda Broswick here today, and I wanted to come on here today and just do a quick video about the Affinity processing system because I've been getting asked a lot of questions about how the email marketing works in it and how difficult it is, if it's simple, if it's easy enough for beginners to use, and it truly is. So I thought I would share my screen here and show you exactly what's included, what I mean by step-by-step and done-for-you content so that it's easy for you to understand and comprehend how easy the system is. So I'm going to go over here right now. So this is my back office of the IPS, we call it, Infinity Processing System. And this is my IPS membership area. Now I am a pro member, so I have all of the content that you can possibly get. There are 3 levels you can come in at. There's a starter level, there's an intermediate level, and then there's the pro level. And you get more information at each one of those levels. It's very inexpensive to start. It's $50, $150, or $300 is the top level. So I have some other videos on that, so I'm not going to go into all those details today, but I just really wanted to show the email marketing and what's included here for you. So when you first come in, as you can see, I'm clicked on the Get Started tab. So just to show you how easy this is how you get started. When you first receive your information, this is how easy it is. There's a little welcome video giving you instructions. We have 2 groups to help you, a coaching group and a proof group. So we have 2 of those, so you can get into there. And you create your payment buttons for your personal website. And there's literally step-by-step instructions here on how to create those payment buttons. For payment, you can use anything you want to here. You can use PayPal, you can use Stripe, you can use Zelle, you can use Bitcoin, anything that you want that's available in your country or whatever your preference is, you can use as your payment methods, okay? So now you go down and you order your own personal website. So here's your instructions. It's a one-time fee of $25. However, if you do come in at one of the first 2 levels, the $50 level or the $125, and you upgrade, you will have to pay a $15 fee to the programmer to reprogram your buttons. Okay, so just I wanted to be completely clear on that. Okay, but if you do come in at the pro level, that is just a one-time $25 website fee. There is no monthly fee for that. I want to be clear on that also. Okay, so as you can see, this is exactly all the instructions you need to get you started. And then what I really wanted to do this video about was the email marketing, right? Creating your sales funnel. So when you go to this tab, creating your sales funnel, here you go. Here's how to set up an autoresponder, get you started. Autoresponders are extremely important when you're doing online marketing because you want to have a sales funnel that people go into so they're constantly getting information from you, right? About more of the program, some extra videos that you have done. For me, like in some of my emails, I link some of my YouTube tutorial videos onto those so that this way people can get some more information, maybe that wasn't clear at first, or to help them make a decision whether this program is there for them or is correct for them or not, right? So how to do that. And then here you go, how to add a 30-day email follow-up series. Now it's up to you. She gives you enough, you get enough emails in this for 30 days. That's if you want to send an email every single day. So personally, I spread mine out. I did mine every other day, right? Sometimes we get bombarded with emails and then you tend not to read them. So it's all a personal preference, however you think your audience is going to respond more. So for me, I ended up getting 60 days worth of follow-up emails that go out automatically. And like I said, it's all explained in this top video, how to create it, right? And then how to add your email. And as you can see, here's the 30 days. You got day 1 all the way down to day 30. So all these emails are pre-written for you. You literally will copy and paste them into your browser, okay? And or into your responder, right? You're going to copy and paste that information. You can change it up a little bit. You can add some information. You're going to add your personal links in there. She has areas in there where, it'll say add link, and you're just going to add your link into there. She shows you exactly how to do that. So it's very simple. So when I say done for you content, this is truly done for you. Copy and paste emails. Like I said, 30 days worth of emails that you can either do every day, every other day, however you feel like your audience will respond the best. And it's all done for you. They are all pre-written for you. You, like I said, you are more than welcome to change them up, to change the wording a little bit, add your personal stories, add your personal video links into there to make it more personalized for your audience. But it's truly done for you email content, and email marketing, really, that follow-up truly pays off when you are doing online marketing. So it's extremely important to have that automated follow-up. And this way you do the work once, right? You do the work once, you get all those emails loaded up into your autoresponder, and that's it. Every time somebody goes to your landing page and puts their email in, they are automatically entered into that email funnel, so that all that follow-up work is already done for you. It doesn't get simpler than that. So I hope this video helped explain what I mean when I say done for you content, and it truly is. It doesn't get any simpler than this. I've been having a lot of success with this program. Like I said, I like it because I like to share it, because it does have, low startup costs for anybody to start making money, right, with this. And that's what our goal is. So you can start as little as $50. Even the top tier is only $300, $25 for your website. Like I said, no monthly fees. There's no other fees involved unless you want to purchase traffic, which is totally optional. You do not have to do that. I've been using organic traffic at this point, and it's been working great for me. So I hope this video gave you some more clarity, some more information that you were looking for, like I said, like how the email marketing campaigns work. So there is a link below this video. If you have any questions, of course, you can always reach out to me. I will also put a link to my Facebook page below so that you can contact me via Messenger if you have any questions. And I'll also put the link to this program if you want to look at my page and see a little bit more of what it's all about. There are also some more videos that go into different details on my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon. Have a great day.